Good morning again. Are you ready to learn some more while having fun? Up to now, I showed you how to build things stronger, but today I'm going to show you how to make it longer and stronger. Are you ready? Take two 16 beams and two 1x4 plates. How can you put these four pieces together to make something as long and as strong as possible? Try it quickly. You most probably try to make a rectangle out of it, correct? Well, that is not strong or long. Have a look at this picture and build yours. Try now to twist and turn it. Can it break? Perhaps, but not too easily. This is one way to make something longer. Look carefully at where you put the plates. Half is on the one side and the other half is on the other side. Can you remember I told you before that we always check that there is balance in our structures? What is on top is at the bottom, and what is on the left hand side is also on the right hand side. Great! Remember this method. A second way of making things longer and stronger is when we use the black pegs again. Use your two 16 beams again and find another shorter beam and four black pegs. Can you connect those few pieces together to make it as long and strong as possible? Does your structure look like this? You can also do this with the smooth beams. Okay, I am ready to give you your first challenge. Do you think you are ready? Take out the following: 4 16 beams, 4 2x8 plates, and 8 black pegs. Can you build the bottom structure of a bridge that spans from one book across a gap to another book by using the techniques that you know by now? It must also be wide enough to balance another book over the gap. Take a few minutes and see if you can build a bridge. Here are two ways of doing this. Copy one of the models, but you can use both also if you wish. When you are done, you have complete your bridge by adding the side pillars of the bridge. So take away the books and build something that your bridge can now stand on its own. For the fast engineers out there, can your car travel up one side of the bridge to the other side? What do you need to add to the sides of the bridge to keep your car from falling into the toxic river? Enjoy your river scene and populate it now with cars and figures. And what about perhaps a picnic place close by? Have fun until next time.